My name is Raj Atikukke. The name of my company is ITOS Oncology. It's a molecular diagnostic company specialized in cancer. We perform genetic analysis on cancer biopsy material and provide information that will help oncologists or physicians to tailor treatment based on the genetic profiling, more personalizing cancer treatments. I was made aware of this program through WEtech Alliance. Deborah initially emailed me with the details. It's basically an opportunity for a market-ready company to tap into other countries. So I'm from India, an Indian healthcare industry and cancer patient population. It is huge, and I saw a great opportunity, and me and Deborah, we discussed about it. And Deborah helped me immensely in putting together the application. We emailed back and forth about the application. She guided me through the whole process. The application is pretty straightforward. They ask specific questions about your business, when it was established, and how many people work, and basically a business model, and why you want to go to the place, to the country where you want to go. So I always kept thinking about, what if I can provide the same service to the patients in India, and if I can provide them the genomic profiling information, that will help them choose what treatment they want, and that's how they can drastically reduce the price for their treatment. So I saw a huge opportunity there. If I can prove this concept in one place, India is, is population-wise and cancer patient-wise, it's a huge population. If I establish this, which I'm confident that it will be established in a very well manner, then I can spread the service to the entire country and can have a huge impact on building this business and this ITOS Oncology further. So I went to India, connected with oncologists in two cancer centers in Mangalore, India. And then I set up a meeting with pathologists who would help me collect samples which are from the patients through the oncologists. And then I'm building a team there who will set up a small lab where they can bring the patient samples and extract DNA and bring the DNA over here and perform genetic profiling and send the report back to India. Yes, great source of revenue for ITOS and make it a truly international genomic profiling service providing company.